Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To convert the background layer of an image into a normal layer, select the background layer in the Layers panel first. Then select Layer, New, Layer from Background from the menu bar to open the New Layer dialog box. Use the dialog box to name the layer and set any additional layer options for it, just as you would when creating a new blank layer. Then click the OK button. Conversely, to convert a normal layer into a background layer, select the layer to set as the background layer in the Layers panel. Then select Layer, New, Background from Layer to convert the selected layer into the background layer.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.